Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations here are coming from. And not a whole lot of things to update, more so just kind of confirmation of the levels that I've been talking about, namely up here at 58 cents as resistance. Although, during the early part of the day, the price didn't quite hit it, got relatively within the range up there. So, that's kind of just been, like I said, confirmed as where the sellers seem to be hanging out. And then on the flip side of the coin, as far as the overall chart pattern and such is concerned, still have this green line down here, which is denoting the support at 49 cents. And with the final 30 minutes right here, you can see the price is getting relatively close to that area. Still not quite there, but going into tomorrow, that'll definitely be kind of the question. And, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery on my part. No, anybody that knows how to use a chart is going to be watching and wondering the same thing in regards to this 49-cent area, because you look back here in the history of the chart, and at that point, it did a great job of holding it as support. So the question becomes, is the price, going to be able to repeat history, what it did back there? It's looking like, we'll see in terms of, the action tomorrow on Friday. In the event 49 cents cannot hold, next level of support after that would be this gap close location, which sits down there at the 46-cent mark. So that's really all that I have right now. Like I said, not a whole lot more to update. It's just kind of a wait and see what happens, because the price pulled back today, but from the grand scheme of things, it is still within this overall chart pattern here of the sideways channel. So until something happens in regards to that, whether it's a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside, not much else to talk about. So at this point, I guess it's just a matter of we'll see how it closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.